are going to do Haywood Gap, Buckeye Loop today. Yay! 7.9 miles. And there's also a little waterfall that we're going to attempt to find.
The waterfall is not on the trail and it's not mapped. We've read some blogs on how to get there, so we're going to try to find it.
Do you guys know how that goes?
Yeah, it's in the middle Prong wilderness.
Yeah, so like nothing signed.
Yeah, it should be fun though. We've done this once before, but we haven't filmed it yet. So we might have to get our feet wet. We're pretty sure that might happen.
True.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Probably a bear. It's Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
Rubbing against a tree or something.
Bigfoot?
Maybe he had some sap in there.
Bigfoot or bear?
Maybe he got like a tangle in his hair or something.
Black bear.
Yeah.
We'll go with Bigfoot.
Yes. Yes, a Bigfoot.
Bigfoot's way more exciting.
Yeah. You want to tell us about the ramps?
Yes, these are one of the delicacies of hiking, free ramps, which taste very similar to onions, only they are milder. You can eat the leaf and the bulb, totally healthy, raw or cooked. And they're just everywhere.
Yeah, they are. They're everywhere. Wow, look over there. This is pretty, right?
That's really nice.
No, not at all. This is not slippery. Whoa.
You sure it's not slippery at all?
No, it's not.
Feisty.
Okay.
One's slippery.
I know. This is gorgeous. Yeah.
It's just known as a shelf mushroom, but I'm not big on the scientific names.
Can you eat those?
No, generally not.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
They're usually
So-
hard as a rock, but this one is flimsy.
So you want to go first?
Yeah. Can you jump it?
Yeah. Can you jump the whole thing?
No. From up here, you almost could.
Yeah, that's true.
Last time I walked through it.
She did. I just put one foot on it and put one foot up there. Is it?
Really slick.
I don't know. See, I was much less dramatic about it than you were.
It was so slick. Did you not slide on?
Not at all. Well, that one time I fell last week. It's not so bad. Yay!
Third leg. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna do that anymore.
Look at this rock. That is so pretty. Yes, I do too. The trail.
That's kind of tricky.
I think we have to go down to the next layer, and then go from there. I think is the way we did it.
That's not bad.
I've forgotten about this part.
Maybe you should go backwards. That was. Yes. We just hopped across this, so we forgot to put record on. Actually, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, and we failed to find the falls, so
It was an epic fail. We were all caught, tangled up in rhododendron. We hardly got anywhere.
this is gorgeous though.
It is.
But yeah, so we're gonna try to find the trail on this side now.
Yes.
Who knows?
Thanks. The trail? Yay! Ah!
Shortcut!
Wow. We took the easy way, guys. I don't know if I'll get a shot at it. Mountains Sea Trail.
Wait, so we're going.
Okay, so our wrap up for today's hike.
Yes.
It was terrible.
We are tired right now. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful hike. We didn't actually end up getting our feet wet, which was a nice surprise. I thought we wouldn't have to.
Yes, the rivers were gorgeous.
Yes.
There was some wildflowers, not too many, but the
We
cascades.
might be a little early for wildflowers. It looked like they might
Cascades
be
in the
blooming.
water was the best part.
Yeah.
And the cons,
Steep, very steep.
very steep downhill the first half and very steep uphill the second half. Not a whole lot of breaks.
Yeah, but it was beautiful. The
I think
walkway
we
to the
ended
creek.
up hiking about a little over 8 miles.
Yeah.
We didn't find the waterfall that we wanted to find. We attempted it.
We did crawl through a lot of rhododendron. So
Yes, we did some
which was
off-trailing,
fun
but
and tiring.
we didn't find what we were looking for. But
Yeah.
it was a good hike.
Yeah,
Beautiful weather.
I'd do it again.
Hardly anybody. You can go by yourself.
And I wouldn't want to get stuck or didn't have any feet.
I can't move. It's rocking on my leg. I